Hey guys, what's up? So today in this video I'm going to show you how we can create a real-time database system in Laravel using two packages. The first one is pusher PHP server and the second one is laratime, which is actually my package. So let's start this demo project uh, by creating a fresh Laravel project. I would give it a name demo. Since I have already created the application, it is throwing some error. It shouldn't be the case for you. As I said earlier, we will require two packages, pusher PHP server and laratime. And just like that, in the front end, also we will require three packages. The first one is laravel echo, and the second one is pusher.js, and the last one is laratime.js. And in the meantime, we will go to the pusher.com. Pusher.com is the WebSocket, some kind of WebSocket provider which will help us do the real-time communication, and we will follow these steps. We will create an account and we will give it a name demo. And guys, if you don't have the account of the pusher.com, you can easily create it for free and we will get the keys. Okay, let me pull up my project in code editor. Okay, for this demo I'll be using SQLite. You are free to use whatever you like, and we have to change the broadcast driver to the pusher, and from here we will grab the keys from the pusher.com and paste. And the last one. Okay, and as I said earlier, we have to change the broadcast driver to the pusher. By default it is set to log, and I'm using SQLite, so I have to create one file database.sqlite inside database folder because it is going to act as a database. But if you are using MySQL, it is not necessary. Okay, from here I will create one model name note with migration. Since I have already created that model, so it is throwing some error. Okay, this model is going to have only one field, that is body, and it is going to use a laratimeable thread to broadcast the real-time updates in the nodes table, which is going to be created after doing migration. And in the bootstrap.js file we will import laratime class from laratime.js and create a new instance of it, and we will pass echo instance which is available here. We will uncomment that code, and in the web.php file we will pass all the nodes to the welcome blade, and in the welcome blade we do some changes. Okay, I will change it to center, and I will change the title to the nodes, and below that I will create the order list of nodes, and we will look through the nodes, and with each li tag having different unique id, and I will use the app.js file which is going to be bundled after doing npm run dev. And I'm doing some simple javascript things, query selecting all this structure, and using this add node function I will append the node to the last of the nodes, and using the update node it will get two parameters, id and body, and it will query select that element using data node key, and we will change the inner HTML of the node, and with the delete node we will grab the element from the DOM and we will easily delete it by doing dot remove, and we will use the laratime instance we have created in bootstrap.js file. Okay, so we'll change the dv function and pass it nodes because the table name of node model is nodes, that's why by default it is that. And on the on added hook we would grab the model which is going to be passed once the model is created. Okay, and grab the id and body from it and create a node and append to the DOM, and on the updated hook we can grab the model and get the id and body of the model and update the body, and at last on deleted hook we can get the model and we can grab the id and delete it from the DOM. That easy. Okay, so the front end or the welcome.blade is done. Now we have to do is bundling the JavaScript. We do npm run dev, so it will bundle all the JavaScript. At the meantime, we will have to do PHP artisan migrate to uh, migrate the database or something. What is called that? Okay, but I haven't shown you that. You have to do that, and we'll start the application and open the application in the browser. It is taking some time. Okay, we'll go to the localhost 1000. We will see one node because I have been doing some tinkering behind the scenes. I will truncate the table and reload the page. Okay, from here I will start the demonstration of real-time system. Okay, I will create a body name, a body note with the body note 1. And look, at the same time the DOM is updated with the new model or new note. I will create again a new note. It is again getting updated, and again last one, and still getting updated. How cool is that? Okay, so the creating part is done. We will update the first note. I will change the body to the sorry for the mistake. Change the body to note 1 edited. And look, at the same time the browser is still getting the updates without even reloading the page. I will edit it again and add again at the last, and it is doing its work. And I will delete the first note. Let's see what happens. Okay, the first note is removed again. Okay, so we can see it is this easy to create a real-time database system. Since I was using vanilla JavaScript, so it may not look as interesting, but still you can use the power of a real-time system made using pusher and laratime to create beautiful things. So if you guys love this video and love this package, then give this video a thumbs up, and I have provided the link to the GitHub link to the package. Give it a star, and that's all for this video. Next time we will see how we can create our own WebSocket server, so we don't have to depend on the pusher.js or the pusher.com.